What this thing, this printer.
Okay, guys. I just, I like to just get facts. A lot of guys said this picture was photoshopped. It's not in her phone. Well, this is actually from her phone. This is the actual Snapchat.
FaceTime.
The FaceTime, okay, and you can see the date on it. Let me trying to zoom into the date. Okay, yeah, I got the date now. This is Wind. Wind is a network here in Canada, and this was taken at 1:48 p.m. on.
Let me see if anyone has a date.
Okay.
Yeah.
This one has a date.
2016.
Okay, so this is sorry. 2016.
10th month.
Yeah. So you guys can see it very clearly, and these are different pictures. Please, it's not. And then I'm actually here with Stephanie, and I'm going to show you her face, so you guys know it's for real, okay? And I'm going to show you my face, so you know I'm the one taking the picture, okay? So what are we trying to do? We're just trying to let you know that I like to be objective with things, okay? Like I had told you before, it was not Photoshop. This is something actually on somebody's phone, okay? All right.